Hi everybody, today I'm gonna show you our parking MVC project. So let's start. As you can see, there is an initial view. So we click this button to enter to the project. And here we are in the home view. In this view, you can consult the availability of the parking. Now let's see that we have 9 cells occupied and 11 cells available. We are going now to the query view. Later we are going to check this functionality. Now let's consult what vehicles are available sorry, are occupied in the parking lot. As we can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 cars that occupy a cell in our parking. Now go to the client view. So here you can consult one client with his ID. Now let's check what happens if we put an ID that is not allowed in the database. Correct? There is an exception. Now we are looking for an ID that is placed in the database. Now look at the data here. It is going to change with the data of the client. And look at the restrictions that we put in the text field. There wasn't allowed letters or another characters that are not numbers. Don't know, maybe here, yes. And the other restriction is that you only can put 10 digits. Now let's check this option, create client and vehicle. So in this view, you can register a client, but first we are going to return with this button to see that this functionality is function. Yes, and we are going to this return. Let us go to the home view. Now let's go again to the create and create a new client. Same as the other view, you can only type here numbers. Yes, so I don't know, something like that. Then go to the name, full name. In the full name, you can only type letters or backspace. So no. And the letters can be upper or lower case. Then we are going to put the email. So here we have also restrictions. Sorry about that. Like that. Yes, if you don't type correctly your email, this is going to make an exception and put you again to the, or focus you to the text field. gmail.com. Now you can pass through the next text field, the direction of the client, the address. So in the address, you can type everything you want because it doesn't allow a restriction. Let's put this. Okay, as I said, you can type whatever you want here. Now let's go to the phone number of the client. Here you only can type numbers. Then we can register the client, and now immediately we have to register the vehicle that is going to enter to our parking. The license plate also have restrictions, only numbers and letters can allow here, and the maximum space for this license is just six places. Then here we have this field. Let's type something like Mazda. You can type also you want whatever you want here. The color, 2, maybe, don't know. Here, 2, you can type whatever you want. Now let's check the register button. And go back to the home. Let's make a new query. And we can see here the new vehicle in our database that is allowing a new cell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember that in the past we have only 9 cells occupied. Just check it. Just check the availability, and as you see, there is 10 cells occupied and 10 cells available. Here in the vehicle section, you can also look for a single vehicle in the database. Let's see the restrictions. The same as the license plate restrictions. So now let's see. I don't remember. Let's see. A license plate. License plate here. As this is. Excuse me. Oh, sorry. ASD 342 and correct. Let's check information from the vehicle. The check-in time is correct, and now let's see this function for the exit a vehicle. Let's type the license plate 342 and make the exit of the vehicle, and there we are. 2 minutes was the time that the vehicle has stayed in our parking lot, and as you can see, there is the bill for pay. And let's go to the last functionality that we have here. Remember that we have at the beginning only 20 cells total, the total of the parking that we can use. So we are now with 11 cells available and 9 occupied. Now let's check the last function. Here you can upgrade the cells or the space for the parking lot. The restriction is that you can't put a number. You can't put a number less than the actual number of the cells. So if I type 19, there is a restriction. It should be greater than the allowed space. So don't know, maybe 35. Here you can put at least 10 digits, but we are not going to do that. Just 30. And there we are. Go again here, and as we can see, we have a total of 30 cells in our parking. Remember that we only have 9 cells occupied because we make the exit of a vehicle, and just in case, again, the query 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, no more. And that's all the functionality of our project, of the parking MVC project. So now I'm just going to show you this document, and I'm not going to explain it. This is just for you, for think about if you want to take our full services. Here is the proposal, and that's all. Thanks for watching the video.